Jack Burnell-Williams, an 18-year-old guardsman who marched behind Queen Elizabeth II's coffin during her official funeral procession, was found dead at a London barracks. Before we continue, please subscribe to stay updated with the latest information about the royal family. The Army said in a statement that Jack Burnell-Williams, a member of the Household Cavalry, died on Wednesday, September the 28th, just before 4 p.m., after becoming unresponsive at Hyde Park Barracks in Knightsbridge, London. Police and London Ambulance Service paramedics rushed to Hyde Park Barracks in Knightsbridge, London, on Wednesday, to try to save the young man. Nothing could be done, and Burnell-Williams was pronounced dead on the spot. "Our thoughts are with the soldier's family and friends at this difficult time," an Army spokesman said, asking that their privacy be respected. On Saturday afternoon, family and friends will gather at Burnell Football Club in Bridgend to remember him. Jack's death was confirmed by his mother Laura Williams, 42, who wrote, "Never thought I'd be saying this, but we as a family are all heartbroken with the sudden passing of our wonderful son Jack Williams." Laura, 42, tweeted an emotional tribute to her son, Jack, with a photo of the young soldier, adding that she never imagined she would be writing this. However, they were all saddened by the tragic death of our beloved son Jack Williams yesterday as a family. According to reports, the death is not considered suspicious. An 18-year-old man was declared dead at the scene, according to a Metropolitan Police spokeswoman. His next of kin were notified. They also stated that the death news shocked them, that it was investigated, and that it is not being treated as suspicious. Officers will assist in the preparation of a report for the coroner. Burnell-Williams escorted the late monarch's coffin to Her Majesty's burial earlier this month, much to the delight of his family and friends. His family was ecstatic that their son would be serving the Queen on her final voyage. Trooper Jack Burnell-Williams, 18, played a critical role in the Queen's state funeral last Monday. Burnell-Williams was among those who walked near the Queen's coffin as it was carried by gun carriage through Whitehall and down the Mall following the Westminster Abbey service.